am happy to be on this forum participating in SDG Summit. India has made tremendous progress in last 6 years on the way to achieve all the important SDG targets. If I want to just mention SDG target 6 relates to water. Water, we have started a separate ministry for water, Jal Shakti Mantralaya. We have envisioned using utmost natural water resources to the optimum and also maintaining the ecology of the rivers. We are committed to give every house a tap water, potable tap water through pipes in every household by 2024. As far as climate is concerned, SDG goal 13, we are very happy to note that India is probably one of the few countries who are walking the talk on their commitments to Paris. Our commitments are in compliance with the overall target of keeping the temperature rise below 2 degrees, and more importantly, we have increased our tree cover within forest and outside forest. We have taken a huge target of 26 million land restoration, 26 million hectares of land restoration, which is a degraded land. We have achieved 21% of reduction in emission intensity, and also we have created 37% of our energy mix capacity with renewables. So a huge progress on oceans. We are committed, and through many new initiatives, we want to keep oceans clean and free of pollution. That's SDG 14. SDG 15 is biodiversity. We have completed 150,000 people's biodiversity registers in as many villages. It's a Herculean task. We have completed and achieved 8% of world's biodiversity despite our constraints of land, natural water resources, and burden of population of human as well as cattle. As far as natural disasters is concerned, we have already taken an initiative of Coalition of Natural Disaster Infrastructure, CDRI, and countries are participating. Food, hunger and agriculture, SDG 2. We have achieved a lot on this front. We are giving 800 million people very cheap ration, and last 8 months we have given free. But this includes 5 kg of rice or wheat at the rate of 2 or 3 rupees. It's a huge subsidized food security program of this scale in the world. We have also made very industry friendly policies, which is SDG number 9. SDG number 11 is about cities. As we know, we have taken renewal of cities, Swachh Bharat, Swachh Shahar, and along with that, the overall city infrastructure is being strengthened. Economic growth and employment. Barring this pandemic, we were on the right track and will come on the right track very soon. As far as human health is concerned, we have already achieved universal vaccination of children. And SDG 7 about energy. It is again, we have now reached all houses in the country with electric connectivity. This is a huge progress in the direction, and we are also creating 87 gigawatts of renewable energy. So we are walking the talk. We are on our way and road to achieve SDG targets by action. Thank you and all the best.